Good day, grade 3 pupils. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 1, Week 6, Day 2. Our topic for today is Numbers and Algebra, Place Value of 4 digits numbers. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to determine the place value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Activating prior knowledge. Highlight or encircle the number 3 in each number. What is the place value of the number 3 in each given number? The right answer are: in number 1, it is hundreds. In number 2, it is ones. In number 3, it is tens. Lesson purpose: to determine the place value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Lesson language. Here are the simple meanings of the terms suitable for grade 3 learners. Place value. It tells how much a digit is worth based on where it is in a number. Example, in 345, the 3 means 300 because it is in the 100th place. Place value chart. A chart that helps us see the value of each digit in a number. Thousands. A place in a number that means 1,000 or more. Example, in 1,234, the 1 is in the thousands place. Hundreds. A place in a number that means groups of 100. Example, in 452, the 4 is in the hundredth place, 400. Tens. A place that means groups of 10. Example, in 67, the 6 means 60 because it is in the tens place. Ones. The place for single number 1 to 9. Example, in 58 digits, the symbol we use to write numbers 0 to 9. Example, the number 345 has 3 digits, 3, 4, and 5. 3-digit number. A number that has 3 digits. Example, or 123 is a 3-digit number. 4-digit number. A number that has 4 digits. Example, 1,234 is a 4-digit number. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Mang Juan bought several grade 3 pad papers to donate to a school as shown. How many pads did he buy in all? Number 1. Who bought the pad papers? Correct. It was Mang Juan. Number 2. What will he do with them? That's right. He will donate it to a school. What are we asked in the problem? Great. We are asked for the total numbers of pads that Mang Juan bought. Now, work in pairs to answer the problem. Here are the possible answers. Number 1. There are 2,000 pads in the 2 boxes with 1,000 pads. Add to 2,000 the 150 pads in the small box, which gives 2,150 pads. Finally, add to 2,150 the 3 pads. This results in a total of 2,153. The second possible answer is, first, add 1,000 and 1,000 to get 2,000. Next, add 150 to 2,000 to get 2,150. Finally, add the remaining 3 pads to 2,150, which gives a total of 2,153. How many digits does 2,153 have? Correct. It has 4 digits. What are these digits? They are 2, 1, 5, and 3. We will write 2,153 in the place value chart. In 2,153, what is the digit in the ones place? Correct. It is 3. In 2,153, what is the digit in the tens place? Correct. It is 5. In 2,153, what is the digit in the hundreds place? Correct. It is ones. We need another column for the 4th digit. Add another column to the left of the hundreds place. The position of 2 in 2,153 is called the thousands place. It is the 4th digit from the right. What is the place value of 3? It is ones. What is the place value of 5? It is tens. What is the place value of 1? It is hundreds. What is the place value of 2? It is thousands. Each digit in a 4-digit number has its own place value. From left to right, the leftmost digit is in the thousands place. The next digit is in the hundreds place. The next digit is in the tens place. And the rightmost digit is in the ones place. You can also say that from right to left, the first digit is in the ones place. The second digit is in the tens place. The third digit is in the hundred place. And the 4th digit is in the thousands place. What if I interchange the digits in 2,153 to form the 4-digit numbers 5,321? What is the place value of 5? It is thousands. What is the place value of 3? It is hundreds. What is the place value of 2? It is tens. What is the place value of 1? It is ones. What do you observe about the value of 2 in each chart? The value of the digit 2 is different in each chart. The value of a digit depends on its position or place value in the number. For example, in the number 2,153, the digit 2 is in the thousands place, so its value is 2,000. On the other hand, in the number 5,321, the digit 2 is in the tens place, so its value is 20. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Write the 4-digit number with the specified digit in each value. Here are the correct answers. Very good. Making generalization and abstraction. The place value of a digit refers to the position of the digit in the number. 7,384. From left to right, the first or leftmost digit is in the thousand place. The second digit is in the hundredth place. The third digit is in the tens place. And the fourth or rightmost digit is in the ones place. From right to left, the first or rightmost digit is in the ones place. The second digit is in the tens place. The third digit is in the hundredth place. And the fourth or leftmost digit is in the thousand place. Evaluating learning. Encircle the letter of the correct answer that indicates the place value of the digit in the given number. Assessment number 2, Part 2. The numbers 8, 7, 4, and 9 are digits of a 4-digit number. If 8 is in the ones place, 7 is in the thousandth place, 4 is in the tens place, and 9 is in the hundredth place, what is the 4-digit number? Here are the expected answers. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!